Hello, this is Ray from Precision Sharpener Groomer Supply. This is my old sharpening truck. Worked very well, but it's hard to teach in it because it just didn't have enough room. The new truck has an 18-foot box. It's on an E450 chassis, built-in generator, and has a central air unit and heat. Nice walk-in door. Lots of room inside. That is the generator and electrical panel. Supplies for clipper blade sharpening. This is the clipper sharpening area. I've accessed the cab from the box. It's all sealed. The sharpening area, we use a silicone tray for putting clipper blade parts and keeping them separated. Metal trays will damage the tips, especially on ceramic cutters. The end blades or ends of the cutter will quit cutting because the tips get damaged putting them in metal trays. This is a cleaning solution, no odor. I use magnets in the corners. As you can see, the grit is collecting on the magnets. We use magnets for lots of things. This magnet is for picking the screws up out of the pocket because these big old fat mitts don't grab those little screws so well. We've got magnets for holding the blades. These are not knobs, they're all magnets. And a magnet holding that rag on there so we know where it's at. Magnets, more magnets. These are clipper blade parts. We have the screws, the black guides, the white guides, clamp mechanisms, spring mechanisms, cutters of various types. We do not charge extra for replacing parts on clipper blades. That's part of the sharpening. This is a custom-made clipper blade machine. It's variable speed, 18-inch wheel. Having the small access hole keeps the dust from getting in the building, and the whole box is hooked to the vacuum. So when we're sharpening, all of the grit stays within the vacuum unit. That's the clipper blade sharpening area. Then we move on to scissor sharpening. We have a special diamond wheel for doing curved grooming shears, a special diamond wheel for doing the inside ride line work on flat shears, also diamond stones for doing ride line work, various sandpapers, polishers, things of different types. We got alcohol and rags for cleaning the scissors, lots of scissor parts. Again, we don't charge for parts. This is a mechanism for doing the inside ride line work on curved shears. We clamp the shear in by the ring or thumb hole, finger or thumb hole, set it true, and then do the ride line work on this ceramic stone, or we clamp a piece of sandpaper onto it. This is 1200 grit, which is what I normally use. Gives a finer finish. Bluetooth speaker so we can jam while we're working on your tools. This is for serious sanding work. We've got lots of different grits of sanding pads. This is an expanding wheel that tightens the pad up so we can grind. And then this is for polishing and buffing. It also, like everything else, is variable speed, custom designed. All the machines, other than the vacuum units, all the machines are custom designed just for doing scissors. Then we have more workspace for students to work at, a sink so we can wash up and not have to borrow the groomers or beauticians' bathrooms when we're done. The sink has a water tank, freshwater tank, and a holding tank. Lots and lots of shelves of parts and anything we need while we're sharpening and working on your equipment. And the whole other side of the truck is empty, so we can add more workspace as needed. Thank you for the tour. Have a great day.